Cheeky Monkey Club. It's class time.
Who likes pizza? Well, we know Cheeky Monkey loves pizza, but I wonder what's a recipe? It's a recipe with all these different ingredients on it. We've got some ham. What colour's the ham? Pink. What colour are the prawns? They're like an orange colour. Who likes prawns? Oh, I like prawns. Do you know what this one is? Salami. Or who likes pepperoni? And this is yummy on a pizza. Pineapple, capsicum, mushrooms, cheese. I love cheese. Do you love cheese? All right. Well, let's find. Now, maybe if we follow the pizza book, we've got some yummy. Ooh, do you like to look at that one? I think. What about egg? No. Let me see. What about? Oh, this one's got basil. No. Maybe we should just make our own. What do you think? Yeah. All right. Okay. But you know what? Somebody. Oh. Everybody. Do you know anybody who likes to make pizzas who lives in Italy? Yeah. You know what? I think he might be coming. Let me see. Ciao ragazzi! Everybody say ciao! Ciao! Well, who likes pizza? Me! Who likes pizza? You like pizza? Oh, do you like my moustache? You don't? It's very tickly. Well, I think you should help me make a pizza. Well, let's start with, we need this one. Who likes ham? Me! Who likes ham? Well, what color is the ham? Pink. It's pink. Okay, here we go. Oh, we've got some ham. We got some yummy ham and it looks delicious. You know what we could say? Kiss our lips and say, beautiful! Beautiful! Maybe we need to add something else. Do you think we can put prawns? No, I don't like prawns. They're too stinky. No prawns. Look, we've got some sticky prawns. Fine, disgusting. I don't like prawns. No, thank you. All right, what's this one here? Salami. What color am I looking for? Red. Red. Circles? Excellent. 1, 2, 3. Everybody kiss your lips and say, beautiful! Oh, this is so fun. Should we put some pineapple on the pizza? Yes. And capsicum? Yes. Okay, and mushrooms? Yes. And cheese? No, and cheese. Okay, let's see. If I get some cheese and some ham and green capsicum and pineapple. Excellent. Looking so good. Everybody, we're going to make a beautiful pizza and maybe we can put some... Get that stinky prawn out of there. That's disgusting. All right, so we need some more things and then we're going to make... Stinky prawns. We don't want prawns. Now we've got some more salami and some... Okay, hey guys, this looks good. Everybody kiss your lips and say beautiful. Well, we need, I think, one more pit. Oh, this is so yum. There's no prawn. There's no prawn. No, there's no prawn. Sticky prawn. Ah, disgusting. No. Maybe, let me see, I'm gonna put last. I tell you what, no prawns! Okay. You know what? I think we should do our dance. I love pizza.
Hello, it's Juanita from Cheeky Monkey Club. Thanks for hanging out and having some fun. If you'd like to see more Cheeky Monkey Club videos, don't forget to click subscribe down below. And give us a thumbs up. Bye! Oh, and Cheeky Monkey says press that bell right next to the subscribe bar and you won't miss out on any of our new videos.